Okay, so hello everyone. So hoping you all are very nice after a long time I'm uploading this session finally. So today is Java programming one shot lecture. Okay, so basically previously many of the students have the doubt that sir when you taught us Java, you taught us from a book which was very much in detail. I know, and the book language was not very easy. Now I come up with these notes. The notes are taken up from that book only, but these notes are in easy language. So you will be able to get these notes. Okay. So these notes are precise and to the point notes. Let me start. Okay. So this will be the theory lecture. The next lecture will be the practice lecture and projects. Okay, okay, right. So let me start with the exactly what Java is, right? So Java in programming language and a platform. Okay, so Java is a programming language also, and Java is a platform also. It is a high level, robust, object oriented, and secure programming language. Okay. It was developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. Why it is a platform? Any hardware or software environment in which program runs in another platform. Java has a runtime environment and API. It is called a platform. Applications of Java. Java has desktop applications. Java has all the media players, Acrobat readers, the antivirus, etc. The web applications, IRCTC, Java Point, enterprise applications, banking applications, mobile applications, all the Android or iOS applications, embedded systems, smart card, robotics, games, etc. And to make these practical applications, for example, let's say you have to develop a gaming app, or let's say you want to develop an educational app, you need to learn DSA, right? You need to learn DSA. Okay. So practice session is worth when the practice session is worth in studying when you're studying DSA, right? Okay. To develop this. Understood? Okay. Now we move forward to the features of Java. The features of Java. Okay. So Java is simple. Okay, before we continue forward, guys, if you want the part-wise sessions, you can download our app. There you will get the part-wise sessions and also the practice sessions for you can download our app and see there. Okay, all the link I will give you in description. Now let me continue from the features of Java. Java is simple. Java is easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean, and easy to understand. As per Sun Microsystems, Java is simple programming language because based on C++, it is based on C++ syntax. So now you don't need to learn syntax separately. Okay. Java has removed many complicated and rarely used features. For example, explicit pointers, operator overloading, etc. Now these pointers were very difficult to understand. And in that book, I told you, these are given in too much detail. Okay, yeah, I can show you if you want. There is no need to remove unreferenced object because there is an automatic garbage collection in Java. This is the main point. This is a very main point. You must remember this. The points I'm highlighting here. Just remember these and make a note of these because while studying the DSA, it will be counted, right? Another main topic while studying the DSA you will require is OOPS, object oriented. Java is object oriented programming language. Everything in Java is an object oriented. Object oriented means we organize our software as a combination of different type of objects that incorporate both data and behavior. Now platform independent. Java is platform independent. That means Java has a class file which can work in Mac also. It can work on Windows also. It can work on Linux also. Java is platform independent because it is different from other languages like C and C++, etc., which are compiled into platform specific machines. While Java is written once, run anywhere language. Platform is the hardware or software environment in which program runs. Secured. Java is best known for security. With Java, we develop virus free systems. In fact, antivirus apps like Quick Heals are also developed using Java. Right? Java is secured because no explicit pointer. Java program run inside a virtual machine sandbox. Even when you observe, let's say, the very popular web browser by Microsoft, that is the Microsoft Edge. This web browser is developed using Java. That is why this web browser is secure. You know, the most secure and the efficient web browser, and of course, this web browser is my favorite, and I recommend you like to download this web browser and continue your searches in it. Right. Also, before we proceed further, if you have any doubts, like you can ask me also. Okay. So you can ask me also if you have any doubts regarding the like the concept you are studying, and also let's say if you are studying anything else and you have a doubt, you can go on simply on the web. And let me share this stuff. Okay, you can go on simply on the web and type doubtnut. This is the great web also. This is the great app also. You can download it. Math, science, any solutions you want. Here you can get it, and that they're doing a mind cracking work. They're basically solving your doubts, and this is a very good platform to clear all your doubts, then just simply click here. You can simply log into your account, and simply you can see courses also, you can search your doubts also, you can ask your doubts also for any classes, for any exams. This website and this app is made. So I prefer you just visiting on the website, the web portal, or app. Okay, so it is best for students. The .NET website. Here you can find multiple courses. You can find the solutions and CRT solutions also. You will find the exam solutions also. You will find out your practice questions if you give in .NET. You'll find out results also. So it's a very great website and app. You should try it always. Okay. Now moving forward to our lecture. So Java is secured because it has no explicit pointer, and Java programs run inside a virtual machine sandbox. Okay. Robust. Java is robust because it uses strong memory management, lack of pointers that avoid security problems, provides automatic garbage collection which runs on Java virtual machine to get rid of objects which are not being used by Java applications anymore. Now let's talk about the architecture natural. Java is architectural natural because there are no implementation dependent features. For example, the size of primitive types is fixed. Portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. High performance. These are some features, right? It is faster other traditional interpreted programming language because Java bytecode is close to native code, distributed. So any detailed explanation much cannot be given here, right? Distributed. Java is distributed because it facilitates user to create distributed applications in Java. Multi-threaded. Multi-threading in Java is a wide range concept, and this concept we will cover after covering the DSA in Java. Okay. It is dynamic. You've already seen it why it is dynamic. Okay. So now comes our first Java program. So, what are the parts we require for considering our first Java program? Let us talk about those parts, right? Okay, just a second. So, firstly, we require the class concept. The class keyword is used to declare a class in Java. Public keyword is an access modifier that represents visibility. It means it is visible to all. Static is a keyword if we declare any method as static. It is known as the static method. The core advantage of the static method is that there is no need to create an object to invoke the static method. The main function method is used and it is executed by the JVM. So it doesn't require creating an object to invoke the main method. So it saves memory. Void runtime of the method, it means it doesn't return any value. Void means empty, right? Okay. In mathematics, you study phi or this. This is representing the null set, right? So it is similar to void. Main represent the starting point of the program. String args or string args is used for command line argument. System.out.println is used to print statement. Here system is a class, out is an object of the print stream class, println is a method of the print stream class. Okay. Now this is very important. I'm going to show you all at once this. Okay. From here you can take a screenshot. Okay. Yeah, it is the screenshot is for those who have not accessed the paid course, because those who have accessed the paid course, for them these slides are already visible. Okay, now let me proceed further. What happens at the runtime? At runtime, following steps are performed: class file, class loader, bytecode verified, interpreted, runtime, and the hardware. Okay. So firstly, class file is, we have to upload the class file, then the class loader works, then the bytecode is verified, then the bytecode is interpreted, then the runtime task comes, that means the program is executed, and then hardware responsibilities come, that the program result will be shown smoothly if the hardware is responding along with your software also, right? Okay. So now we will proceed further to some more concepts, and before proceeding further, let's wait for a few moments. Okay, so now let's continue. Okay, so can you save a Java source file by another name that the class name? Yes, if the class is not public, and if the class is public, then you cannot. Okay, which is explained here. Class simple, public static void main, system out print ln hello, hard.java, then compiler bytecode simple.class. Can you have multiple classes in Java source file? Yes. Class A, class B, class C. Compiler A class, B class, C class. JVM is the Java virtual machine, abstract machine. It is called a virtual machine because it doesn't physically exist. It is a specification that provides a runtime environment. JDK is an acronym for Java Development Kit, is a software development environment which is used to develop Java applications and applets. It physically exists. It contains GRE plus developmental tools. GRE. GRE is acronym for Java Runtime Environment. It is also written as Java RTE. The Java Runtime Environment is a set of software tools which are used for developing Java applications. It is used to provide runtime environment. And all at one JDK, JRE, and JVM is included in your VS Code. That is why the coding is performed in VS Code. Okay. Java variables. Now let us talk about the Java variables. A variable is a container which holds the value while the Java program is executed. A variable is assigned with a data type. Variable is a name of memory location. There are three types of variables in Java: local, instance, and static. So the first is the local variable, the second is the instance variable, and the third is the static variable. Okay. So the first one is the local variable. A variable declared inside the body of the method is called the local variable. You can use this variable only within the method, and the other method in the class aren't available even aware that the variable exists. A local variable cannot be defined with static keyword. Okay. Instance variable, a variable declared inside the class but outside the body of the method, is called an instance variable, not declared as static. Static variable, a variable that is declared as static, is called a static variable. It cannot be local. You can create a single copy of static variable and share it among all the instances of the class. A detail between these variables can be only understood when we see practice session. Okay, right. So now the next lecture we will continue with the data types in Java, I think. Oh wait. Okay. Yeah. The next lecture we will continue with the data types in Java. It will take us today we studied 6 pages. Okay. Now in next lecture we will study some more pages, and in 9 and 10 till page number 11 we will study. Okay, so this will be the second lecture. In third lecture we will study in page number 14, 15 till page number 16. Then in next lecture, fourth lecture, we will be studying 17, 18, 19 and 20. Then in fifth lecture we will be studying 5 pages, next 6 pages. Then in sixth lecture we will be considering next 6 pages. Then in seventh lecture, but will be okay, 6 lecture, sorry, 6 pages per lecture. Okay, we will be continuing 6 lectures. Sorry, 6 pages per lecture we will be covering. Okay, so okay, so it will be more lectures you'll be requiring for this. Okay, right, and then we will be combining all and giving you a one at a go lecture. Okay, recording. Okay, so thank you, and we will be meeting next time for data types in Java. Okay, thank you all, and all the best, and thank you for joining the session.